In this video, we're going to learn how to use the double star kwargs construction in Python when defining arguments for a function. So normally when you define a function in Python with the def keyword, you're going to have some number of arguments that the function is going to take in. Often this is a fixed number of known arguments that aren't going to change, but you can set up functions so that they can take in any number of arguments, both unnamed or named. If you want a function to be able to take in any number of named keyword arguments, you use this star kwargs construction. So by passing this in as the arguments accepted by the function, it's going to allow us to give the function any number of keyword arguments when we call it, and then the function can potentially make use of those. In this case, all the function is actually going to do is just print those keyword arguments so we can see what they are and how they're constructed. So we're going to define, we're going to print some keyword arguments, and then we're just going to pass in some different keyword arguments to look at here. And when we run this, we can see that the function did take in all of those different arguments and created a dictionary of key value pairs for each one. Now, since star kwargs takes in the values and makes it a dictionary, if you want to extract either the keys or the corresponding values into lists within the function, it's easy to do that. We'll show how to do it here. So we're going to say def extract keywords. Again, we're taking in keyword args, and to extract the keys, we can just say star keyword args inside of a list. We could also say kwargs.keys, but that's not necessary. This will automatically extract the keys, so we'll print those out. And if we wanted to get the values, we could just say kwargs.values and then put a star in front of it, and that will extract those into a list. So we'll just run this with the same arguments as before, and we'll see that we've extracted the keys and the corresponding values into lists. Now, one final thing that is worth noting is that when you're using the double star kwargs construction, it's actually the star prefix that's the important part. It's a Python convention to say star keyword args, but any string you put after the double star functions the same way as keyword args does. It's just you usually use that because that's what everyone uses with Python, but in theory you could use something different. So for instance, if you were just used to calling arguments parameters for some reason, you could do something like this. Define a new function and say star keyword parameters, and then within the function body, this kw parameters would function exactly the same as keyword args does in the normal case. So this probably isn't something you'll see very often or at all, because everyone just uses the keyword args convention, but know that this is possible, and you may see it somewhere if somebody just happens to defy normal conventions. So if you found this video useful, you can drop a like or hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.